Just have Article 3, Section 1,
Article 3 of what? The federal constitution?
the Constitution of America, United States of America.
Okay, this is a state court, sir. Article 3 of the United States Constitution contemplates what? Tell me, Mr. Burt, what does it contemplate? This is Mr. Burt. He's in person in custody with his lawyer, Miss Williams, and
Spencer, Your Honor.
Miss Spencer. Good morning to both of you. Miss Spencer, I'm gonna probably have to remember your name. Well, I am gonna have to remember your name, but I may forget it. I was handed something. I think this came from the defendant. Do you know what this is, Miss?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
I wanted to present it to the case to be. Sorry. I got my
Mr.
tongue.
Pablo Forenza signed this too?
Yes, I have some witnesses.
Okay. Do you want to look at it, Miss Williams?
Yes, if I
Okay,
could.
I haven't looked at it, but.
Thank
Sure. And then if you can let Miss Crane see it too. Mr. Burt, you have lawyers. They're the ones who file motions on your behalf, not you. They're the ones who argue on your behalf, not you.
I do not understand the nature or cause of the charges.
Okay?
I don't understand the probable cause, and
You're getting some bad advice in jail,
there's
sir.
not.
Yeah, you are. And you're going to go down a road here that's not going to help you at all. But if that's the road you want to go down, then I'm happy to let you go down it.
That's-
I don't want to say happy. I have to.
all right.
You have a lawyer. If you don't want your lawyer doing the arguing for you and you want to go this alone, pro se, that is your absolute right, and we can talk about it. Otherwise, they do the talking on your behalf. They do the arguing on behalf. They're the experts in the law. They know what the charges are. They've explained them to you. I can explain them to you. I can tell you what the penalties are. That is all we're doing.
Just have Article 3, Section 1,
Article 3 of what? The federal constitution?
the Constitution of America, United States of America.
Okay, this is a state court, sir. Article 3 of the United States Constitution contemplates what? Tell me, Mr. Burt, what does it contemplate? You are getting bad advice. Miss Williams?
Can I have a second?
Sure. You want the white noise?
Yes, please.
Or we can give that to Miss Rocha, my clerk, since it was handed to her. It's whatever it says is now, I guess,
Part of
our
the-
property and
yes.
part of the record, and we'll get it distributed to everyone when we can. So
Understood.
I just, Mr. Burt, I'm not trying to be rude. I'm not trying to cut you off. But the way the system works is, as I said, when you have a lawyer, they're the ones who do the advocating for you. Period. That's it. If you're dissatisfied with your court-appointed counsel, you can tell me that, and we can talk about it. You don't get the counsel of your choosing, though. When it's paid for by the state, you get the attorneys that are appointed for you. I don't know Miss Spencer, so I can't speak to her. But I can tell you that Miss Williams knows exactly what she's doing. She's an excellent lawyer. She's been doing this a long time in front of me. I don't know where you're getting this information from in the jail or from other sources. I have no idea.
Law library
Miss-
and the
okay.
Constitution of
Okay.
the United States of America.
Great. Miss Williams, and perhaps you did too, go to law school so you can understand what the United States Constitution says, and particularly Article 3 that you were talking about a few moments ago.
Yeah.
Perhaps you should spend
You're being
time.
very aggressive right now.
I'm not being
So
aggressive. I'm trying. What's
I
that?
feel like I'm being intimidated by you.
I'm explaining
There's
I'm
a-
explaining to you, sir, that you have two very good lawyers who know what they're doing that you should listen to. But if you don't want to listen to them, I'm telling you what your options are. Because your options aren't right now telling me whatever you want to tell me about the law and the case. That's not one of your options. If that's what you want to do, then you have to do that on your own, period. Because attorneys are the ones who advocate for clients unless they're representing themselves. That's all I'm trying to say, Mr. Burt. My voice isn't raised. I'm not calling you names. I'm not intimidating you.
You've been throughout all the courts that we've been, when you first, that's why I asked.
Miss
for-
Williams, what would you like to do today?
Your Honor, if we could set two hearings, a status of counsel hearing and a return.
Okay,
I would request the return, well, I guess if we set the status of counsel first, that would,
we could do it at the end of docket today.
I can do that.
All right. Does that work for you, Miss Crane?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, did you?
I just want my discovery.
I know that Mr. Burt had mentioned that he wanted a little bit more time before the status of counsel hearing. I'm fine with proceeding today, or we can bring it back next week.
I don't have,
I know next week's not great.
I mean, next week's not bad at all, but I have time today. So do you need more time to prepare, Mr. Burt?
Yes, sir.
How much time do you need?
And I need my full discovery.
Well, that's not going to happen before the status of counsel hearing. I don't have, so your attorneys get your discovery, and some defense counsel don't like to give their clients discovery when they're incarcerated, because if it ends up in the wrong hands, someone might use that against you.
That's our
Can
OSP
I get a legal
policy.
box?
What's that, sir?
Can I get a legal box?
I don't know what that is.
No, it's public defender policy to not provide paper discovery.
And that's kind of what
Jail. That's a statewide policy.
And I think that's a policy that other, even private counsel have too, for the reason I kind of alluded to a moment ago. But I don't control that. So again, I can't give you the discovery personally, Mr. Burt. I don't have the discovery. All I have is the affidavit in support of your arrest and whatever people file, which is not generally discovery. So what else do you think you need to prepare? I just want to get an idea of kind of how much time you think.
Continuance.
What's that?
I just need continuance to overlook my full discovery.
So Ms. Williams, I don't know what the answer to that is.
I think that we can have a paralegal do some additional please sometime next week. We will be requesting a PSI and concourse screen, and this is just on a revocation, so it should be fast.
On a complaint alleging violation of probation?
Yes.
Okay. So next week, I mean, I could do that. We have the Fawcett preliminary hearing at 8:15. I don't know is that you, Ms. Marsich? Okay, and that's at 8:15, so 9.
What day is the court looking at?
Monday, but I'm going to skip to, I mean, I could do it on docket. I feel like on, we can just do Tuesday, the 11th, at 8:15. I'll double set it with another plea.
I'm unavailable from 8 to 9:30 on Tuesday morning.
Just do, I mean, I want to get it moving for you, Mr. Roberts. Tuesday at 3 p.m.
Court just picked the only 2 times I'm unavailable on Tuesday. I have the rest of the day totally free.
Do you want to do 1:45 p.m. on Wednesday, the 12th? Who's Ms. Stegman? Are you is that Ms.?
Yes, that's Ms. Stegman. Yeah, that works. 1:45 is good.
Okay, 1:45 p.m. on Wednesday, the 12th.